Welcome to GK at Amustri. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Mother Teresa, D. Pradipha Patel. B. Indira Gandhi, as well as she was the first woman Prime Minister of India and she was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and her birthday is celebrated as National Integration Day and also the first woman to got Bharat Ratna in 1971. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? A. ISRO, B. NASA, C. ESA, D. JAXA. A. ISRO, as well as Indian Space Research Organization is the space agency of India, and ISRO was formed on 15th August 1969. ISRO was previously known as Indian National Committee for Space Research. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Shreya Ghoshal, B. Kiran Bedi, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Kalpana Chawla. C. Sarojini Naidu, as well as she was the first Indian woman to be President of Indian National Congress and to be appointed an Indian State Governor. When was the Make in India program launched by the Government of India? A. 2015, B. 2012, C. 2007, D. 2014. D. 2014. Besides, Make in India initiatives was launched globally in September 2014 as a part of India's renewed focus on manufacturing. Then, the objective of initiative is promote India as the most preferred global manufacturing destination. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Aravalli Range, B. Shivaling Range, C. Vidya Range, D. None of the above. A. Aravalli Range, and the Aravalli Range is estimated to be around 670 million years old, making it one of the oldest mountain range on earth. And also, it runs from Delhi Palampur in Gujarat, passing through the state of Rajasthan and Haryana. Which country is known as breadbasket of Europe? A. United Kingdom, B. Indonesia, C. Myanmar, D. Ukraine. B. Ukraine is known as the breadbasket of Europe because of its fertile land, climate, and access of water and seas. And also, it is the fifth largest exporter of wheat in the world. Where is the headquarters of NITI Aayog? A. New Delhi, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. A. New Delhi, as well as National Institution of Transforming India Aayog is a policy formed on 1st January 2015, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the chairman, Suman Beri is the vice chairman, and BVR Subramaniam is the CEO of NITI Aayog. Which instrument is used to measure the depth of the ocean? A. Hydrometer, B. Manometer, C. Fathometer, D. Altimeter. A. Fathometer, and also it is a active sonar device used for navigation and safety determined to the depth of the water, and also it is an echo sounding system for the measurement of water depth. Shore Temple is located in which place? A. Kolkata, B. Mahabalipuram, C. Mumbai, D. Puducherry. B. Mahabalipuram, as well as it was constructed in Narasimhavarman II. It is the World Heritage Site, and Mahabalipuram is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. In which year Oscar Award was started? A. 1990, B. 1912, C. 1929, D. 1950. C. 1929, as well as the first Academy Award, also known as Oscar, were presented on 16th May 1929, and Academy of Motion Picture and Arts and Science presented the Academy Award annually to recognize achievements in the film industry. The award are given out variety of categories including Best Picture, which is considered the most prestigious honor. Answer for last video was C. Ostrich, and ostrich eggs are expensive relative to chicken eggs. The average ostrich egg price is around $30. The video is available on iQuod. What is the name of the highest civilian award in India? A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Vibhushan, C. Bharat Ratna, D. None of these. Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.